Hello friends, welcome in the part of interview question interview preparation for L2 and L3 DBA. So here is the question very frequently asked that how can or how will you check all the services of multiple servers across your domain or multi-domain uh, in SQL Server services or SQL Server services. So everyone say that using CMS we can use that, but CMS using you can use that SQL Server is up and running, but how about the services, just reporting services, browser services, and other SQL Server services running or not? So for using for finding all the status of the services of SQL Server, like SQL Server engine, a SQL Server agent, browser services, integration services, CEIP services, analysis services, integration services, or we can say that VSS writer services. So how can you find it? So there is only a simple way to achieve this, or we can that get the all the services running on across the domain servers. Okay, we can we can just use the shell script, PowerShell script, to check all the status of all the services of SQL Server across your we can say that entire domain or subdomain, it is running or not. So we have to just create an inventory table in an inventory database, so we can say that, and just we have to call that to get content or fetch data in loop for each loop. Okay, services is true. Okay, then we can get this type of output like inventory name, server name, services, and a status or a startup mode. So this is the only way you can achieve this one. So hope you can answer in next interview and all. Okay, thank you for watching. Do not forget to share and subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you.